What's up, guys? It's me, Family Rockers, back in another vid. So I'm gonna show you guys the best cars in Greenville to like drift. So yeah, let's get to it. So first of all, we have like two. This is the first one. This is the 2024 Falcon Stallion. It's supposed to be like a 2024 Ford Mustang. So you can either get the EcoBoost Premium GT. I don't know. There's like an EcoBoost Premium, and then it had like a good horsepower, so I bought it. And there's also a convertible version that I bought. I didn't buy the other one because they were basically the same price. So I just bought this one, and this one is actually pretty good, but it's kind of hard. So I have the roof down right now. One of the cool things, if you look here and here, and if you turn on the lights, this is the Falcon logo. So I'm also going to teach you how to drift in this video. So yeah. So first of all, you want to go to semi. So if you press M on keyboard, then you get to semi. I recommend semi-automatic because you see, I don't like manual. If you drift some of the cars, look, I have so okay, wait, let me teach you how to do it first. So first you wanna press M only one time to get to semi-automatic, and then you wanna press E a few times until it gets to 3, and then you also wanna press T to turn off traction control, which makes the car more like slipperier, so it can make it drift better. So now you wanna hold W and S down at the same time, and then you can see this revving, and then after it gets full, like it's red, then you want to let go of S. You want to let go of S, and then put your finger back on S again, so it'll look like this. So now you're doing a burnout, and then look, and then if you let go, you start doing donuts like these. But it's not really a donut because it's loop-de-loops like that. So if you want to get control, So if you want to get control of your car, then you want to get your hand off your mouse. You don't need the mouse for this trick. So you want to, get ready again. And then so do the things that I told you to do. And you also want to pick the way you turn. So if you want to do A for turning left, and then D for turning right. So I'm gonna turn left, because I have more like place, there, like more of a big space there. So then you want to take your hand off your mouse, and then switch, and then put your index finger on the S, and then you want to let go, and then start spam clicking. And then it would look something like this. And then if you want to get more control of your car, then you want to press the steering button, so A and D. So now you're doing a donut. This car, it's actually kind of hard. Oh yeah, and these are like totally not free, but like no Game Pass cars. So these are good cars. So yeah, that's how you do like a donut and stuff. And now my other car that's really good, this one is basically for starters. So this is the Bullhorn Prancer, the 2023 Bullhorn Prancer. It's the TR trim, as you can see. Yeah, you can get any color and rim that you want. It's not gonna affect any of your like things, like your drifting. And one thing that I noticed, this is one of the free cars. This is, not free, but like no Game Pass cars. But look. It shoots out flames. But it's not coming. Yeah, see, did you see that? So yeah, you want to do the same steps. So you want to find the best gear for your car. So by that, if you want to do that, you want to test the best drifting. So if you go too high, then you might lose then you might start going crazy, and like you can't drift. Like you see, I was on the 5th gear, and then how about if I go to 4th gear? Then let me drift. Then it's kind of good. So then, and then you can go to third gear if you want, and then keep testing all those gears. For me, I think third gear is the best. So then you wanna, WS, take your hand off the mouse, to use your hand that you have your mouse on to hold S down, and then you wanna spam click with your the index finger that you holding S on. You wanna spam click S, and you'll be doing donuts like this. This is what I recommend for starters, the Bullhorn Prancer. I'm not sure how much these are. We'll go check. So, yeah, let's go check. Oh shoot. Okay. I'm driving on the wrong side of the road. So, okay, so we're here. Okay, so let's search up the 2023 Bullhorn Prancer. Come on, load. 2023 Prancer. Oh shoot. I'm just gonna search up Prancer. All these should come up. You have this many options to choose from, but I recommend the 2023 Bullhorn Prancer. And then if you go here, you see GT wide body, but that's not the one that we're going for. We're going for TR, just TR. And as you can see, if you see past, there's none, and you can get any like things that you want, and then any rim that you want. And then this car, I recommend a car that has a drivetrain of rear-wheel drive and not that much pounds. Maybe a fast car, and then a good horsepower, and then maybe some if you want, you can get a good miles per gallon car. I don't know. You can choose. And then you can search up Falcon Stallion, the other car that we tried out. This one. So then, this is the EcoBoost. This is not the one that we're going for. It has a high thing, but this is not what we're going for. This is what you're going for. It's kind of expensive. If you want, you can get this because they're basically the same thing. But if you want to look cooler and stuff, you can get these and stuff. So if I chose the one all the way over here, not this one. Yeah, this one. And then I just chose this one because I liked it because it had a white interior. And then I chose whatever color that I liked. So yeah. Okay, so I do have one more car that not everyone has. It's the 2020 BMW Series 30, BKM Series 30, the Teenage Dream. So this one's a limited, and it's off sale now. This is from like a few updates ago. It's not the fastest car. It goes like 156. I'm not sure the horsepower that it produces. So you want to do the same thing. So yeah, you want to find your gear. So yeah, what? Oh, okay. So now I've done it. This car is kind of hard because you can't really drift it. Because it's kind of, well, you can, like, I'm doing the same thing that I did. Look, it's really good, but, like, most of the people don't have it. Plus, it kind of loses control. I just keep it because, like, sometimes I drift with it, and sometimes, like, I don't know. Mostly because it's a rare car. It's limited and an off sale. But also, kind of when I drift, one car that I really actually like is this thing. The Polar Custom Super Sleigh. This thing. So this is also limited and it's off sale. It's from a event, if you guys know. And then, so if you want to go to manual, I'll teach you guys how to do that. But I'm going to do semi-automatic, so yeah. It's kind of cool because, like, you can see the steering wheel turning. And this thing does, like, really wide like donuts and stuff, like you can see. Oh shoot, someone else spawned there. What's up, guys? So I was editing one of my videos, so the drift one, and I forgot to do the manual, teach you guys how to manual. So in this video I'll be showing you all how to manual. So you want a rear wheel drive car with manual. Some cars don't have manual, like the Bullhorn Prancer. This one doesn't have manual. Even the BMW. So, like the Falcon Stallion, this one, the Mustang, has manual, and this one, the Polo Custom Super Sleigh, has a manual. So first, you want to find a car with the manual, and it's rear-wheel drive, with a high, with kind of a high horsepower and a good speed, maybe if you want a good speed. So yeah, this is a no Robux car. So yeah, so this one, it has automatic, semi-automatic, and manual. So first of all, you wanna press T to turn off traction control, which makes your car like drift basically. And then you wanna find like your best gear. For most people, it's gear 2, 3, or maybe even 4, but mostly 2 or 3. For me, it's gear 2. It makes me stay in control, but then in gear 3, it's kind of like making me like, it's kind of losing control. So, for manual drifting, you need like a really good experience. So then, but like I you can learn it in like just a few steps. I just did it. So first you wanna find your perfect gear. And then you want to do W, and then shift to turn on clutch. And then you want to find the way you want to turn. For me, I'm going to turn right because I have more space there. And then you want to let go of shift. Oh wait, okay, that was bad. Okay, and then you want to let go of shift, and then it starts drifting. And then this is where like if you want to have better experience. So this is how to like, if you want like to make a perfect donut or like a wider donut, then you want to have like a better experience of your steering and like turning and stuff. So yeah, you might learn this in like a few minutes. You might learn this in a few days. For me, it took like maybe a few days. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. And then look, if you go too high, like gear 3. Sometimes it works. Like look, it just made me stop drifting. Sometimes it works, like it did here. And if you want to do a higher gear, then you want to have more control. The higher gear equals more control. And sometimes the higher gear equals like less drifting. So like if you want to go to gear 4, maybe I think it still works. Yeah, see, it still works. Look, but I'm losing control quick. Oh my god, he just crashed into me. But then if I go to gear 5, then I just drift for like a little bit, and then I can't drift. So yeah. Is he chasing me? Okay. So yeah, I think that's how. That's it. That's it for this whole video. Finally. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, drop a like, and if you're new, subscribe. Ring the notification bell, cause I don't do videos often and stuff. So like if I get like if I get, like if I make a new video, then you'll be notified and stuff. So yeah, goodbye.